The National Forest Foundation has started a fundraising campaign to fight the severe wildfires burning across the West, as they explain here in this video.
We're driving in the Angeles National Forest along the Sawmill Libre Ridge. This area was hit by the lake fire in August of 2020. About 31,000 acres of forest were burned. Almost 8 years ago, in 2013, the Powerhouse fire burned around in the same area, about 30,000 acres as well. We're out here to work on a couple of reforestation projects in an effort to restore this area. The National Forest Foundation has been working in this area for almost 2 years now, and we've sent crews out to do hazard tree removal, other types of fuels reduction, invasive weed removal, and now we're actually planting some trees. The goal of the Powerhouse Reforestation project is to plant around 60,000 trees in the next year. A mix of conifers and oak trees are going to be put in the ground in the areas that were impacted by those fires. Fires are a natural part of the healthy ecosystem, but due to climate change and decades of oversuppression of fires, what we're seeing now are high severity fires that are much more frequent than they ever were before. Our goal is to engage in wildfire mitigation that embraces fire cycles within these ecosystems. In cases where we don't see the likelihood of a forest regenerating after a fire, we can go in and get that process going. Restoration efforts on national forests, like reforestation, are critical to overall forest health and watershed health. The National Forest Foundation is working with the U.S. Forest Service, Tree People, and California Botanic Gardens to plant trees across the Sierra Pelona Mountains in response to the Powerhouse fire and the lake fire. The Southern California Forest Fund was created to support efforts like the Powerhouse Reforestation Project and other projects across Southern California that restore our national forests and make our communities more resilient to severe wildfire. Donate to the fund today by visiting support.nationalforest.org/SoCal.